everybody. Today we will... Who is inviting me? Jimbo. I don't know who that is. Alright, today we will just be looking at me making noises. I don't know. I'm so embarrassed. Don't listen to me, bro. I don't like it when people look at me and watch me, okay? So take off your mic. And mute me. I'm just gonna be, alright, bro. I'm just gonna make a stupid video. It's the one where Fortnite messed up. And then I'm gonna make a video of me just making sounds that I can make, okay? It's just gonna be stupid. Goofy, I'll be like, I know, that's annoying. Annoying video. No, I don't want to. Fine.